Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today is another Scraps to Embellishments video for Ginger's Corner Facebook group. In the group we do weekly swaps for embellishments, and the idea is you create embellishments from your scraps and swap them with fellow crafty people. So the theme this week is Children Are the Future. So I had this Stellar birthday stamp set from Stampin' Up, and it's got the cutest little kids in astronaut suits, and I thought they would be really cute to create something with. And I thought, well, this ended up actually like a title, I guess, for a layout. But I had the piece of is it Lime Ricky? It's an old basic grey paper that I had in my group of scraps, and because the embellishments have to be two layered, I thought, well, I'll stamp the little girl, the little boy, the rocket, and a sentiment, and not have the sentiment like a birthday or something like that. I made it generic, and it actually says reach for the stars, which I thought was pretty cool. So someone could use this title cluster, I guess, as for their children doing good at school, or a school layout, or anything really. So once I stamped all the images, I coloured them in with my Stampin' Blends. I didn't do any shading, I just used them like textures to get some colour on the images. So you got to make 4 embellishments, and this time I decided to make 4 all the same. Last time I did 4 different ones, but I thought this time I'm just going to do them all the same. So 4 girls, 4 boys, 4 rockets, and the sentiments. And it was really fun colouring them in because I didn't have to worry about shading. So I made the girl orange, the boy green, the rocket red. That was lots of fun. And yeah, it was very relaxing colouring. And then I fussy cutted them all out. Is that a word, fussy cutted? That's probably not correct grammar, but anyway, I fussy cut them all out. I do have dies for this stamp set, but I was too lazy to get my die cutting machine out and run them all through that. So I just fussy cut them all out. I like fussy cutting, so it's not a problem. And then the sentiment, I just grabbed a 1.5 inch circle punch and punched that out. Then I realised that my paper's a little bit too high, so I cut, I think it was like 1 inch off each one. And I think that background paper is really fun because it looks like planets, I guess, all those circles. Then I just arranged them all and made them all the same and glued them all down. So if you want to join this group, it's listed below, Ginger's Corner, and you can swap as often or as little as you want. You don't even have to swap, but you can join the group anyway. Below you'll find a playlist for everyone who's also making embellishments and making videos of them. And I encourage you to join because it's a really cool laid back group. There's always something going on, and the embellishments are great because you get lots of variety in the swaps, and they're pre-made. You don't have to sit and make them when you're ready to do a layout. So I encourage you to join. Lots and lots of fun. Alright, so if you have liked this video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and then hit that notify bell so that you know when my videos come out. And yeah, I encourage you to watch everyone else. The playlist is below. Just click on that and then you'll be able to see everyone's videos and all the great variety of embellishments that everyone has made. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye.